Alright, welcome to this first project that we're going to do. So this project is called as Talktome. Okay, it's a very simple one. You just need to press the button and the application will talk to you. Okay, sound excited, right? Now, to begin with, of course, or step number one, you need a Gmail account. If you haven't created any Gmail account yet, you need to go to this one and create your Gmail account. Alright, now you may pause this video for a while if you haven't created yet, then proceed to step number two. Now what's this step number two? You need to go to the App Inventor homepage, which is www.appinventor.mit.edu. So for example, this is your browser, so you just need to type it in here, www.appinventor.mit.edu, which I type it here already. Alright, in the end it says there, click the orange Create Apps button in the menu bar. So Create Apps, so it's not visible here, so there you go, just click it, Create Apps. Then let's proceed to step number three. Step three is that you need to log into your Gmail account. So log into App Inventor using your Gmail account. That's why your Gmail account is really important. Since I want to show you the beginning, the starting one, so I will just use this account. I have no project yet using this name. So just click it and put your password and that's it. Then just take the survey later if you want to, or never take survey, depends on you. And then if this is your first time to log in, then you will be this page will be shown to you, like you do not have any projects yet. So this page is the list of projects that you have. So let's just go and create our first project. So that is step number three. After logging in, okay, that's the page that you have just saw. And then you now need to create your first project. Step number 5. Alright, start new project, click it, and type the name Talk to Me. So Talk to Me. Now, please make sure that there are no spaces between the letters of the title of your project. And then it will go there. Alright, now you're ready to go to the App Inventor. So let me just walk you through with this one. So this is the screen. There are 4 columns there. This is the palette column. This is the viewer column, the components column, and the properties column. It's very important that you know these parts, because when you look at the instructions or the step-by-step procedure, it will tell you where to take the commands later. Alright? Now, under the palette column, so these are actually it contains the user interface, it contains layout, it contains media, alright, drawing and animation, maps, sensors, social, storage, and other stuff. So basically we're going to use all of these one little by little, but we're going to use this button as we go along with the creation of the application. And the good thing of this one is that you don't need any programming language for you to be able to create an application. Alright, now this is your viewer, wherein it will show you whatever you drag from the palette column. So for example, you would like to click the button, there you go, and it will appear in the component one. Okay, so for example, you would like to put label, there you go. You would like to click checkbox, there you go, and all of this one will appear here. Okay, So that's how you're gonna do it. Let me just erase that for a while, the one that I put, because we don't need it yet. Right. And the last column, it gives you the properties of whatever you put in the components region. Okay, so let's now proceed to our next step. So the first step is add the button. Okay, so again, this one, the application that we're going to do is that something that when you click the button, then it will talk to you. Okay, so we have the text for button 1, just drag it, and it goes here in the components. Then just proceed to the next step. The next step is, first of all, you would like to check simultaneously whether your application works or not. There are two ways to do it. Either you use the AI2 AI2 companion, which is actually this one. Let me just show you using my screen. Wait, I will just pull up a camera. So I'll just show you what does it look like. So for example, I have this one here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the MIT AI2 companion. So if you haven't downloaded this one yet, I created a video on how to download that. But it's very simple actually. So just go to the App Store, the Play Store, and then just type MIT. Okay, just type MIT AI2 companion, and then just click install. Okay, it's very easy like that. Now let's proceed. Or the other one is what I call this an emulator. Okay, so you need to have an emulator. So for example, where will you get your emulator? So you go to connect and then click emulator. Alright. Now, before you download, for you to be able to use this emulator, you should actually need to download this AI starter. Okay, there's another video on how to download AI starter. It's a very simple one, very easy. Okay, so you don't need to look for those codes, it doesn't matter. You just need to download the AI2. And then how does it look like is this. So what will appear is that this one, like a phone. So basically whatever you're doing here, it will appear here. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. It works exactly as your physical phone, like starting. It's just like the starting, pushing the start button of your phone. So it doesn't. It's exactly the same thing. It says emulator started, waiting 15 seconds to ensure all is running well. Alright, so let's just wait for it for a while. Okay, there you go. There you go. So as you can see, I downloaded already the MIT AI2 emulator. There you go. Let's just wait for 4 seconds more. There you go. Now, there you go. See? As you can see, whatever I do here will appear into my emulator. So if it works well, then it will appear here. Alright, so let's just put it there for a while. And what's our next step? After you put the text button, so that's the emulator, we did that one already. See? Alright, now, this one now is that it says it's a bit small. So it says there, change the text on the bottom. Okay, so I think I just need to go. So change the text on the bottom. So this one, we can change the name of that. It says click that one there and rename. So let's say this one is talk to me, talk to me. All right, then click OK. So that's talk to me button there. It doesn't matter if the spelling is wrong. So this one you can also set click talk to me. There you go. All right. And when you look at it, there you go. Now it changed their talk to me. And when you look at your emulator, the emulator also changes to talk to me. All right. Now, what's the next step is for you to toggle. So you need to toggle to the blocks. All right. Let's proceed to the next part here. So toggle to the block. Oh wait, you need to put the text to speech because you would like your application to talk to you when you click the button. So therefore you need to have talk to speech. You need to go back to the designer. There are only two views that you need to look at, the designer and the blocks view. So here in the designer view, just look for the text to speech, that's under media, text to speech. And the text to speech, as you can see, doesn't appear here. It's actually here at the bottom because it's a non-visible components of your application. So the text to speech will not appear into your mobile phone's screen. So go back now to the blocks. All right, and then let's look at so there you go. I have clicked that one, the blocks. And then now I have clicked the blocks. Where is it? There you go. There you go. So this is now the built-in blocks, and these are the screen blocks. So basically when you click this one, so these are the commands. So the beauty of this, I told you, is that you don't need to have a backend or programming languages. All you just need is the logic that if you, when talk to me button is clicked, do this one. Okay. Now what do we want our application to do when we click the button? We want it to talk to us. Okay. So therefore, we need to click the text to speech because we want the button to talk to us. So click text to speech, and then you're gonna see here call text to speech speak. All right, then just click it. Okay, and then as you can see, there is a basically take note of that. There is actually a click. It means that it's perfectly inside this one. So now what message do you want? So you need to go to the text. Since you would like a words, then just put the blank message there. And what do you want to say? Let's say you'd like to welcome to Hawks Prairie School. Or you can personalize it, okay? Welcome to Hawks Prairie School. No. Let's try to test our what do you call this one? Application. So let's click.
Welcome to Hawks Prairie School.
Great, it works, right?
Welcome to Hawks Prairie School.
Great. Now, because it's an emulator, so it doesn't sound that good, but if you're gonna have it in your phone, then it's actually better. Okay. So let's say I'd like to connect. Let me just show you my camera. So I still have there. So let's say that I would like to connect to this one, for example. So I'll just click open, and then I can take this scan QR code. All right, click the scan QR code, and then I need a scanner. So let me just close my emulator, reset connection, and then I need the AI companion. Okay, AI companion, and then after that, as you can see, there is a screen here. So I will just try to scan. There you go. So after scanning, the code actually gets into here. And there you go. Now this is now my application. So if you have a phone, this one will work direct, and press it.
Welcome to Hawks Prairie School.
Yeah. Sounds better. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy your first project, your first Android application. Have a nice day.